Well, City Church family, I'm excited. Here we are. We're in our promised land. God has blessed us as a church. We're here at 2366 Dougal Avenue. You owe it to yourself. Come check out what God is doing. Man, this building is amazing. It's amazing. We are anticipating within the next 2 weeks or so, we're going to be actually having service right here. But I want you to know something. Without your giving has meant so much to not only Pastor Kim and I, but to the City Church, because none of this could really happen without your faithfulness. And so I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your faithfulness. You have been giving, you have been sowing, you have been stretching, and I want you to know that I'm pleased as your bishop. My wife is pleased as your pastor, but more importantly, God is pleased. Continue to do what you're doing, family. You're doing this thing. With you and with God together, working this vision, nothing is impossible. I want to thank you again from the bottom of our heart. Continue to give. Continue to be faithful to God. If you build God's house, God will turn around and build your house. We love you, family. Come on out. Stay true to the vision. Stay focused. God will get all the glory. Have a wonderful day.